Guess who's back again? I better know. I bet they know as soon as we walk in. Shut up, I'm wearing Cubans. Designer mix, Inglewood's finest shoes. Don't look too hard, might hurt yourself. Known to the color red, the blues. Alright. I'm a dangerous man with some money in my pocket. Keep up. So many pretty girls around me and they're waking up the pocket. Keep up. Why you mad? Fix your face. Say my phone, they all be jacking. Keep up. Hands on there. Oh, jump, dig it, bring them to the moon. What y'all trying to do?
Alright, that was cute. Hey, Hansel, let's kick it old school.
Celebration of my natural pride, and the pleasure you'll experience will blow your mind. Bring it out tonight, the moon, your body can look tonight. To all you Christians from the rock, but please don't sing it, you know what I'm doing.
Alright. Now it's your turn. Break dance. Alright, I got something easy. Ready?
Watch it fall slowly. Black girl still trying to get in. Haters mad for whatever reason.
If you're watching us on Facebook Live, make sure you donate on that link. If you're watching us on Facebook Live, make sure you donate on that link. All right. Hansel, way to kill it, my man. Killed it!
Thank you very much.